Oh guys, I've never seen Sims Righty so angry. This is my first time is Instagram. So anyway guys, let's get to start off today. No the rest of the hustle. Samari Peace and Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to like a comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. For I love you. So guys, yesterday Umusa Kaula he received a letter of demand from Lerato Ngumal's lawyers today. Uyolokasi and Sims Right they've also received a letter of demand from the lawyer Lerato Nxumalo. Guys, we all know that last week Umusa Kaula posted alleged to be a husband Lerato Nxumalo's picture, and everybody was like, so this is the husband Lerato Nxumalo. Guys, after that Lerato Nxumalo came out to say anyone who has posted the picture, made a video about it, they're going to take legal action against them. So it seems like today the lawyers are busy sending the letters of demand, and Sims Right guys, she's not happy. If you go to Sims Right's YouTube channel, the video where she was talking about Lerato Nxumalo's husband, she has never posted a picture. Even Uyolokazi guys, I've never seen Uyolokazi posted a picture alleged to be husband Lerato. Sims Right guys, she was the one who came out to say people need to stop posting a husband Lerato Nxumalo. Right guys, she's not happy. She went on to say, I even reprimanded my colleagues for posting their husband. Kodwa manje uzongitakwela angiyona insango ke mina awungipenywa. Wathi waze wangisanganela umakoti wase-Sweden Sims Right guys. So anyway guys, tell me in the comment section what do you think about this age, and don't forget to subscribe to like a comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.